In this video, we'll review the Asti Hotel near Busan train station. We'll show you the room we stayed in and everything this hotel has to offer. As you could see in our last video, we've arrived in Busan. To make things easier for ourselves, we decided to look for a hotel near the train station. We found the Asti Hotel and were pleasantly surprised by how it looked and the price. The hotel is located in the city center of Busan, right next to the train station. When you exit the station, you take a turn to the right and ta-da! You found the hotel. There's a Starbucks underneath the hotel as well as a mini-mart. Busan's attractions are spread out throughout the city, but from the hotel you can easily take the metro or bus to see all the sights you want to see. When we approached the hotel, we figured we had to go up the escalator, but that's not in fact the entrance. You have to go past the Starbucks and from there you enter the hotel. So as soon as you go past the Starbucks, you go into the entrance and then you follow the signs to reception, which will lead to an elevator, taking you up to the 3rd floor. As soon as you're in the hotel, you immediately notice that it's really big and everything is set up that way too. Check-in went fast and smooth and we went up to go check out our room. We booked a standard twin room with city view and paid €60 per night, excluding breakfast. Here is our first impression of the room. Let's see. Look who it is, it's the lovely Lawrence. We step into the room and we make an immediate switch to the right. And where we step into the bathroom, which is quite spacious actually. There's a rainfall shower. We're back with the small minis for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, so that's nice. Shower is a little angular, but looks pretty good. We've got a normal toilet. Oh, we'll be missing those Japanese toilets for sure. As you can see, there's no sink here, but I'll show you that in a bit. Right from here, we move to the left side where we can find the safe hidden inside the closet. There's also lots of space to put your stuff here, to hang them with a few hangers they have here, or even store above. So really lots and lots of storage space in this room. And of course, a full-length mirror. Right, then we go to here a water kettle and some plastic cups. That's a little sad. I mean, you have much attention to detail and you come with a paper cup, but okay. We've got a fridge that we opened right away in the right time. Just one bottle of water it seems, but that's okay. Then right over here, there's the more paper cups, amenity kit, sink, so that's all good. And then we see the rest of the room, which is really spacious. There's a desk. Lawrence is there sitting, thinking of ideas how to increase our subscribers and wonder if many people are gonna like this video. We sure hope they do. Right here is a big LG TV. Of course, couldn't be another brand. And right here we've got the beds, which seem a little soft and bouncy, or firm and bouncy, not quite sure. 2 pillows this time, always lovely. Some wall art. And right here is the desk, and let's see. We've got the room key with the information about the hotel and the guest service directory. Always nice when it isn't an app. Like lots of information and a menu for food and drinks. So a very complete hotel so far. Finally, we booked a room with city view, so let's see what we got here. And how does it work? That way. This is the view we have right next to Busan station. Right over there we have the mountains. And it all looks very nice to look at. So yay, good for us. And then right over here we've got one more overview with daylight from the room. We really enjoyed this room. We slept well there, the size of the room is really good as well, and the view of Busan was just great. The hotel is really big, and so you'll find many facilities in the hotel, such as a business room, very long hallways, and executive sauna, although I'm not sure what can be executive about a sauna, and a big fitness room. In the fitness room they have lots of equipment like a large mat, a dumbbell rack, back extension machine, cardio machines, and a muscle corner. This gym is definitely one of the biggest ones we've seen for a hotel so far, but when we used the fitness room, the aircon was switched off unfortunately, and the sun made it very hot, so that was an extra challenge. Almost at the top of the building, you'll find a restaurant where they serve breakfast in the morning, and again you'll have a beautiful view of Busan City. The breakfast buffet offers many different items, such as yogurts and salads. Then there's a corner with kimchi, rice, soup, there's bread, cold cuts, pastries. At the very end there are also some hot dishes such as eggs, sausages, and last but not least, fried chicken. Around the corner you will also find the coffee machine and a cereal station. The food was fine for a hotel breakfast. There was a big selection and taste-wise it was okay. We really enjoyed our stay at this hotel. The rooms were nice and large, and we recommend booking it if you're looking for something that's close to Busan Station. While it's not in the most exciting neighborhood, it's near a train station after all, it's very easy to get around, and we would recommend this. Next time we will be back in Seoul, where we will stay at the Manu Hotel. If you want to see what that's like and more, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications at Yes and Explore. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!